This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Elisa Stevens. What an amazingly beautiful and comfortable home. Crisp, cool and clean. This neutral house is just waiting for you to make it your home with your own personal touches. You will be impressed by THW's spacious floor plan featuring a large kitchen, plentiful living and dining areas, and a fabulous ensuite primary retreat downstairs. There is a second living room and an entire guest suite upstairs to maximize privacy and comfort for your visitors. Plenty of storage in this home plus a golf cart garage. More interior photos coming soon. Be the envy of friends and family when you show them your gorgeous clubhouse, which offers indoor/outdoor full bar service and lunch/dinner, resort-style pool with beach entry, newly opened ballroom, fully equipped fitness center, fitness classes, cards, mahjong, dance parties, themed parties, DJ parties, karaoke parties, live music, community day trips, community holiday celebrations, community birthday celebrations, and so much more. As if that is not enough to keep you busy, you can walk to the 5+ acre tropical lagoon. More than just a place to swim, the lagoon has many social events including poker nights, parties, live music, karaoke and DJ parties, trivia nights, sporting event parties, movie nights, holiday celebrations, a swim-up bar, and a little TOTS splash pad. This is the reason you moved to Florida. All dimensions approximate. All information contained herein deemed accurate but subject to verification by buyer. One-time capital contribution $2,150 due at settlement. For more information, review the details below or contact Elisa Stevens at 561-929-2269 cell.